What's up here?
This car has a really unique feature. We did not plate these mirrors, and the reason being is if you look at the top of these, if you can see, I loosened it on purpose here. All of the engraving is still on this lip. If you were going to replate that, that would all be lost because you'd have to, open that to get the glass out, and that's typically lost. Most people would never go to the trouble of trying to re-engraving it.
But that's in there.
That gives you an idea how unused the car is.
Yeah, because I believe you said it had about 18,000 miles.
18,000. That's what we think. Yeah.
Man. All right. Can we open the door and take a look at the inside?
Sure.
All right. So I'm assuming this is all real woodwork.
Yep, it is.
Okay. Starting with I love the running boards. Just the detail, the grooves on the beveling on the side.
Sure.
And that's not been replaced. That's just been
just renewed.
Yep.
We didn't have the car apart. We did take a lot of the chrome and stuff off, but it was just that was a part to get refinished, but that was it.
Man. Dashboard all original, of course. So up here on the dashboard, real quick, this would have been
a glove box.
A glove box, lockable.
Yep, you can lock it.
This
cigar lighter.
Okay, would have been important in those days. Every car had one. Radio.
That's a fuel gauge.
Fuel gauge.
Then you go to lights.
Okay. Talk about the gauges.
And then you go to just all the instrumentation. Okay. Speedometer, and being that it was an American car, that's in miles per hour.
Okay.
And then a clock on the far right, which I didn't bother to set this morning. Everything works.
It works. Yeah.
Next to that lever sticking down, this says starting carburetor. It's got a little extra carburetor on it that you can. If it's a little stubborn starting, you can turn that on, and then you just turn that back.
You're talking about this one up here?
No, I'm talking about below that.
Okay.
And above it is the...
down here.
No, go up, right there. That's the starting carburetor.
Okay.
Above that lever above it is for the trafficators, the turn signals, if you will.
Right there.
Semaphores or trafficators?
Yeah, trafficators.
So they would just flip out.
They come out and they're illuminated.
Okay.
They're yellow.
Yeah.
Then you have another cigar lighter. There's three. There's one back in the back seat too. Magneto switch. Then of course, what they call the switch, the main switch for the car is that large object over there. And on the left side, it says S&T and HS&T. That's the headlights and the parking lights are all controlled there. On the right side is the car's ignition switches.
And then, of course, you had your gas pedal.
Gas pedal is a little skinny thing way on the right.
On the right,
yep.
And then brake and clutch.
Yep.
And then